Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Echo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, I've got some big news from the tech world. NVIDIA just released their financial results for the second quarter of fiscal 2025. Spoiler alert, they smashed it out of the park. Let's dive into the details. First up, let's talk numbers. NVIDIA reported a whopping $30 billion in revenue for Q2. Yep, you heard that right, $30 billion. That's a 15% jump from last quarter and a mind-blowing 122% increase from the same period last year. Impressive, right? So, what's driving this massive growth? Two words: Hopper architecture. The demand for their cutting-edge tech is through the roof, and everyone's buzzing about their upcoming Blackwell architecture. Data centers worldwide are modernizing with accelerated computing and generative AI, and NVIDIA is right at the heart of this transformation. Now let's talk earnings. GAAP earnings per share hit 67 cents, and non-GAAP earnings were close behind at 68 cents. Both metrics saw double or even triple-digit percentage increases year over year. Those are some serious gains. NVIDIA isn't just raking in the dough, they're also committed to giving back to their shareholders. In the first half of fiscal 2025, they returned a staggering $15.4 billion through share repurchases and cash dividends. And guess what? They still have $7.5 billion left under their share repurchase authorization. Plus, they announced an additional $50 billion authorization without expiration. Talk about generosity. CEO Jensen Huang highlighted the strong demand for their Hopper architecture and the excitement surrounding Blackwell. He emphasized the global trend of data centers adopting accelerated computing and generative AI, positioning NVIDIA as a key player in this transformation. And it's not just data centers. NVIDIA is making waves across various sectors, from consumer internet services to enterprises. Their Spectrum-X Ethernet for AI and NVIDIA AI enterprise software are gaining significant traction, showcasing their ability to provide full-stack solutions for data centers. Looking ahead, NVIDIA is optimistic about the future. They expect continued growth and demand for their products in Q3. CFO Colette Kress shared her commentary on the company's investor relations website, diving deeper into the financial results and providing insights into their strategy. For all you investors and analysts out there, NVIDIA hosted a conference call to discuss the Q2 results. If you missed it, no worries. A recording of the call is available on their investor relations website at investor.nvidia.com. They also provided a reconciliation of GAAP to non-GAAP financial measures to enhance transparency and comparability. So, there you have it. NVIDIA's Q2 2025 results are nothing short of spectacular. Record revenues, strong product demand, and a bright outlook for the future. If you're an investor, it's an exciting time to be on board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sizzling updates. Your engagement helps us bring you the latest and most important trending news, so stay connected and stay informed.